What if the next breakthrough in artificial intelligence doesn't come directly from human engineers, but from AI itself? Imagine a future where one AI system helps design an even smarter version of itself. Then that new version creates another, even more capable model. Each generation improves the next, making progress faster and faster. This concept is called Recursive Self-Improvement, or RSI, and it's becoming one of the most discussed topics in the AI industry. Recently, Anthropic co-founder Jack Clark suggested there's a meaningful possibility that AI could begin contributing to the creation of future AI models before the end of 2028. He wasn't claiming that superintelligent AI will suddenly appear on a specific date. Instead, his point was that AI is getting closer to becoming an active participant in its own development. That may sound like science fiction, but many experts believe the early signs are already here. Today, advanced AI models don't just answer questions. They write software, debug complex code, analyze research, and assist engineers with difficult technical problems. Instead of spending hours solving repetitive tasks, developers can now focus on reviewing ideas and making important decisions, while AI handles much of the heavy work. This is especially powerful in software engineering because coding has an extremely fast feedback loop. An AI can generate code, test it instantly, identify mistakes, improve the solution, and repeat the process within seconds. In fields like biology or chemistry, experiments often require weeks or months to produce results. But software can be tested almost immediately, allowing AI to learn and improve much faster. That's why many researchers believe coding could become the first area where recursive self-improvement begins to take shape. Another reason this conversation is gaining attention is the rapid improvement in AI coding abilities. Over the past few years, leading AI models have gone from solving only short programming tasks to completing projects that require hours or even days of continuous work. Some benchmark tests now evaluate whether an AI can rebuild an entire software project by studying only its behavior and documentation, without access to the original source code. In several cases, modern AI systems have successfully recreated large programs that would normally take human developers weeks to finish. While they still make mistakes and aren't replacing software engineers entirely, the progress has been much faster than many experts expected. However, this technology also raises important questions. If AI eventually helps design better AI systems, who decides how much freedom these models should have? How do researchers make sure they stay aligned with human goals? And how do we prevent AI from exploiting systems simply to achieve better results? These are exactly the questions that leading AI companies and safety researchers are trying to answer today. For now, fully autonomous AI research hasn't arrived. Humans are still responsible for setting goals, reviewing outputs, and making final decisions. But one thing is becoming increasingly clear. AI is no longer just a tool that follows instructions. It's becoming a collaborator that can dramatically accelerate research and development. Whether recursive self-improvement becomes reality by 2028 or takes much longer, one fact is hard to ignore. The race to build smarter AI is moving faster than ever, and the next few years could shape the future technology in ways we've never seen before.